Hello, this is my technology rollout plan for Putnam City School District. What the rollout is. So our rollout is going to be a virtual learning plan. The new shift of learning from school to home is how we can continue to support our students in their K through 12 education. In order to ensure equity in opportunities and outcomes, our students' learning needs are a vital obligation of our work and actions. For the school year 2022 to 2023, we need to determine the district needs, push out necessary devices, and get students and parents familiar with the learning management systems. For the next school year, 2023 and 2024, we'll send teachers to specific professional development opportunities, host technology events, and create technology-related clubs. What do you need? Why? And how many? Okay, so over on this part, I said that on this slide, I show that the blue words are coming from our district board members and superintendent. And our school leaders are responding to them by saying, we sent families and teachers a technology needs survey to gather information. Check it out. On this link, you can click on it and it takes you directly to our survey that parents and stakeholders filled out so that we can determine where our needs are in the district for different resources. Identify the stakeholders involved and how you will get their input. Well, our stakeholders include students and families, teachers and staff, administration, and the board. We will gather their input through surveys, meetings, and through online communication. Specific programs. Scholars will utilize an online learning management system to access materials and instructional activities to engage in high-quality teaching and learning. The learning management system for elementary school students is going to be Google Classroom. The learning management system for middle school and high school students is Canvas. About learning management systems. They provide the ability to share lesson plans, assignments, classroom announcements, and other information with your entire team and your class. They also promote collaboration inside and outside of the classroom. They engage students more in their learning and give a voice to less confident students. Specific devices. Scholars will have access to computers and internet connectivity in order to engage with instructional learning materials. Parents will complete a survey during registration to share needs, and the district will implement a plan for device distribution. Parents are encouraged to complete registration by July 31st. There's a new protocol for pre-K through 5th grade. The instructional time guidelines per day are listed below. Pre-K through 5th grade students are supposed to be online for 240 minutes per day. During the week, they have the opportunity to participate in specials and other different classes that they can get on through Google Classroom. Remember, our pre-K through 5th grade will be using the learning management system, Google Classroom. And so they can be part of different classes on there and go visit those throughout every single day. For 6th through 12th grade, the instructional guidelines and time per day is listed below. They're required to spend about 50 minutes on each subject. For high school students, they're expected to spend 85 minutes per subject. Physical education is still important even if you are distance learning. And art and music teachers design lessons around art and music therapy. And so you can still get your extracurricular courses and activities through online learning. At all levels of instruction, students who receive special services will have a teacher that will collaborate with someone else, a service provider, that will make accommodations for any student that is EL, homeless, needs an IEP, and other blind, deaf, all these different things. There are specialists that help the teachers figure out what those students need so that they can successfully do online school. Licenses and devices required. The distribution of devices is based on the area of priority for each school. Okay, there will be a list on the Putnam City Schools website that identifies the schools and grade levels that have been prioritized for the registered students. Remember, it does not include students that have not enrolled in the district yet. All device priorities are for students who are fully registered by August 2nd. Planned professional training. Prior to the first day of school, teachers will get basic online training from the technology department for either Canvas or Google Classroom for their classes, depending on what grade they teach. Teachers will collaborate with team members the first several weeks to discover new best practices together that work for our district. Here's our planned professional development. Often, school leaders will send resources to their staff that will help them learn a new feature or find ways to make online teaching easier, yet more effective. In the school year 2023 and 2024, our goal is to send educators to professional development workshops and enroll them in technology-related webinars. Here are some policy amendments related to the new implementation. Students earning credit by means of virtual instruction shall participate in all assessments required by the Oklahoma School Testing Program. The issues regarding the monitoring of student progress, graded assignments, and testing in virtual instruction courses shall be addressed by the local school board policy. So that means it is not statewide ran. Each local school board will determine the monitoring of student progress, grading assignments, and testing accommodations. All right, thank you so much for watching this presentation. Here is the handout that will be accompanied with that presentation. So as I zoom in, let me show you. View. Let's just do the zoom tool. All right. So Putnam City Schools technology rollout for the next 2 years. Remember, it's not just this upcoming year because we still want to enhance our professional development in the following year. Let's look at our timeline. July 6th through July 30th is when the district needs survey is pushed out. Putnam City stakeholders will respond to a technology needs survey to assist the district. Those are due by July 30th. Okay, the next step is assess the survey results. After the deadline, the district will determine which schools, grades, and students need devices with internet connection. That is about a week long, August 1st through August 5th. It's really simple. All you got to do is look at the data on that survey and communicate and collaborate with the other school leaders. Step 3 is to distribute the resources. Teachers and technology specialists will assign students with a device for learning. Okay, then connect the families to the learning management systems. Family involvement is essential for student success. parents will get invited to monitor and be a part of their child's LMS. So this will take about a month is what I put in our time span, because you have new students that enroll, you have students that for some reason didn't get an iPad or a Chromebook immediately, and then you have reluctant parents. And so we want to allow enough time for that to work. Okay, then our last step is to continuously build professional development for our staff. Educators are always striving to learn the best, newest practices with technology. And so that is our technology rollout plan for the next 2 years. And I hope it was easy for parents to follow along with, and for other stakeholders to look at and understand the plan. Thank you.